In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a free website with Site123. We'll go from opening the site to publishing your free website, and I'll share helpful tips along the way so everything looks clean and professional. Start by opening your browser and going to www.site123.com. On the homepage, click either Start Here or Create Website. This begins a quick setup flow that guides you through the basics. Next, choose the type of website you want to build. You'll see options like a business website, online store, portfolio, blog, or a personal site. Pick the category that best matches your goal. This choice helps Site123 suggest features and layouts tailored to what you're creating. Now create your account. You can enter an email and password or sign up with Google or Facebook if that's easier for you. Keep your login details secure, then click Sign up to continue. Site123 will suggest templates based on your selection. Browse the available designs, preview a few, and choose the one that feels closest to your vision. As soon as you select a template, the website editor opens and you can start customizing. Inside the editor, use the drag and edit tools to refine your site. Update your website name, replace placeholder text with your own content, and swap in your images. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout to fit your brand, and upload a logo if you have one. Aim for consistent colors and clear headings so visitors can quickly find what they need. Add the pages you want to include, such as home, about, contact, services, blog, or shop. To add a page, click Pages or Add Page, choose the page type, then customize the content. Keep your navigation simple and descriptive so people can easily move through the site. Add your contact and business details. Include an email or phone number, link your social media profiles, and consider adding a contact form or a map if it helps visitors reach you. Double-check links to make sure everything works. Open your site settings to fine-tune important details. Set the website language, choose a currency if you're selling, add SEO essentials like a site title and description, and upload a favicon or logo for a polished look. Before going live, click Preview and review how your site looks on mobile, desktop, and tablet. Tweak spacing, font sizes, and images so everything is readable and aligned across devices. When you're happy, click Publish. Site123 will provide a free subdomain link such as yourname.site123.me that you can share immediately. If you want a custom domain later, you can upgrade to a paid plan and connect your own domain name. That's it. Your free website is now up and running with Site123.